This is the Week 2 Blitz here at the Braden Herald, and this is Jason Dill. I can be found at Jason__Dill, it's 2 underscores, on Twitter. And what you want to know about this game that we're going to be talking about, it's St. Petersburg Keswick Christian at Addador Academy. The Thunder get a chance to find their footing this week because we should expect ODA to get on the win column here in the Sunshine State Athletic Conference. That's what they're competing in this year. And they should get off to a good start because, well, Keswick Christian is not a great football team. They only dress 18 players, and they turned the ball over 5 times last week to start the game and fell behind pretty early against a Canterbury team that also only had 18 players. ODA is bigger. They have more players. Dakota Dickerson in the backfield and Gus Mahler at quarterback should have a fun time finding their room to run and to get some passes out there and to kind of take apart this Keswick Christian team. So if you're going out there, the game's still scheduled for 7 o'clock on Friday at Thunder Stadium. And if you want to know about that game or any others in the area, you can go to Bradenton.com and check out our Varsity 24/7 app on your mobile device.